welcome to Craft With Us Live. I'm Cassandra, the museum educator at Transcona Museum this summer. It's Stars in Outer Space Week, and today we're going to be making the Pipecleaner Constellations. So we're going to turn the camera around and get it set at its mount, and we're going to get started.
And just as we're doing this, my name is Jennifer, and I'm doing all the behind the scenes for the Craft With Us Live. So I'll be monitoring the chat, so if you have any questions, I will relay them over to Cassandra. And now I'm going to turn it over to you.
Alright, so you're going to need pipe cleaners, obviously, and beads. That's pretty well it. I have a sky map here, or you can use a sky app or a sky book, anything with constellations that you can basically trace and look at. I chose these two to do today, so I printed them out bigger so you could almost trace over these. So we're going to start with a little bit of an easier one, so Cassiopeia. So we're going to start with a pipe cleaner and bead on the end. You can choose pretty well any constellation. The sky map I chose for today is for the constellations that are going to be visible right now, but that'll change throughout the year, obviously. So you can choose any constellation you want, and no matter how complicated, you can do more than one. You can use more than one pipe cleaner, so. And so Cassiopeia is pretty easy. It's just basically a W. Alright, and then and then you just fold the pipe cleaner down and around just to sort of hold the ends. And there you go, and you can trim off this excess bit here. So that is Cassiopeia. So again, you can use more than one pipe cleaner or make it as complicated as you want. I did Aquila, so there's quite a few beads on here, and I had to use a second pipe cleaner. Or you can go as simple as you want. It's really up to your imagination. So, second one I'm going to demonstrate. It's a little bit more complicated of a one. It's Lyra. Lyra is part of what's called the summer triangle. So you can find it with Aquila here. So if you find Hercules, you'll find these guys. They're just off to the east of that. So I'm going to start in this corner. I might just make it with just one pipe cleaner. So I did have an extra half pipe cleaner cut out, but managed to do it with just one. So this is Lyra. So again, you're just going to need a star map or a printout of the constellation you want to do. That makes things easier. Beads and some pipe cleaners. That's this craft. Again, these are some other ones I did, so you might recognize them from the promo. So that's the simplified Big Dipper, there's Aquila, I forget the name of this one, honestly. That's why star maps are useful.
Cygnus?
Signals, thank you.
That's the swan.
Yeah. So that's it for today. Next week, we're going to be doing Cooking Week. So Wednesday is going to be ice cream in a bag. That video will go up on YouTube and Instagram TV on Wednesday. And Friday on the live at 2 p.m. we're going to do chocolate slime. So yes, it is edible, but I wouldn't suggest eating a lot of it. And on Monday, the promo will go up at 2, giving you guys the supply lists for the week. Alright. See you next week.